Hey guys, Josh here from MobileTechVideos.com with another ROM and a flash review, this time for, you guessed it, Captivate. This is Continuum 6.1 by IceZar1. Okay, so it's been a little bit since my last Captivate video, so here it is, Continuum 6.1. I decided to take advantage of a customer's break-fix phone and use it for a video review. I'm sure they won't mind, as they'll be getting a working phone back. So Brent, this is your phone. I appreciate you for your unknown cooperation. So this is Continuum 6.1. It's built on i9000XX JVQ build, which was released sometime back in June. It's running the Talon kernel 0.3.2 T3-1000. Got a nice wallpaper to start with on the lock screen. And when we unlock, we're going to see that we have three options there for our launchers. We've got the standard launcher, Samsung Home, and Sony Ericsson Home. Let's go through each one. Regular launcher is obviously going to be the gingerbread launcher, which everyone knows that I hate. Samsung Home is the TouchWiz 4. I actually like TouchWiz 4 mainly for the over-scrolling app drawer. And then there's Sony Ericsson Home as well, which gives you an entirely different look and feel. And it's got the transparent app drawer with horizontal based scrolling and a different icon dock down there at the bottom, and these are obviously interchangeable. You can move them from side to side. You can make a folder if you'd like to, and so on and so forth. So, I'm sorry, it's actually tweaked TouchWiz 3 was the other one. Obviously this ROM is rooted, deodexed, and zip-aligned. There's 9 lock screens, and lock screen wallpaper and sound can be set on all of them. Extended power menu exists, obviously, in many of these. MMS and SMS were removed from call logs. This means that you won't have to worry about seeing all that junk when you're in your phone, and the logs will be just logs. So that's actually nice to see. I like that a lot. We'll go back to TouchWiz here. Link voice call volume with notification volume option and settings. There's an option to enable disable GPS tagging in the camera, and there's home haptic feedback as there has been now for a while. As mentioned before, it's built on JVQ. It's been implemented to keep the lights on. Screen touch mod. Voodoo is disabled by default. You can enable that if you would like to reboot to recovery. The recovery is obviously clockwork mod. The modem is running JV5, and he's updated a lot of other things like Quick Office. The setup wizard was removed. Downgraded MyUI music for compatibility with lock screen, so that way you guys can adjust your music without having to enter the phone. Some of the pre-installed apps are Titanium Backup, obviously MyUI Music, Voodoo Control, Z-Jokes is on there for some reason by default, voltage control, so that way you guys can set all that stuff, and backlight notification control. There's also an app called CPU Spy, and you can actually see some cool settings and log statistics about your CPU. So that's actually really cool. Let's take a look at some of the lock screens. They're the typical ones that you would expect to see in here, and we see device lock screen. Here is our option, and then we've got all their different options. So how about the MyUI unlock? And we can check that out. Swipe down to unlock. And I also like the 4-tab unlock as well, in which you can set for different things. So if you wanted to unlock the phone, it would be there. But if you wanted to unlock the phone and go into the phone application, it'd be there. So lots of cool options for you guys that haven't ROM'd in a while. You may not have seen that before, so there it is. Do one quick thing and show you guys the about phone info so we can recap exactly what we're seeing here. But it's based on JVQ, Continuum 6.1, and the JV5 modem, obviously with the Talon 0.3.2 kernel. So, in a GIF, that is Continuum 6.1 by IceZar1 and the Continuum crew. Be sure to check them out on xdadevelopers.com, link in the description below. Download mode jigs are still available on our site as well for just $8. You can get a link in the description below for that as well. Be sure to toss these guys a donation. They spend lots of time and effort making this ROM what it is for you guys, and I definitely think it definitely deserves at least your attention, and you should flash this if you're a flashaholic like I am myself. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube, bookmark the site, mobiletechvideos.com, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and like I said, appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you in the next video.